Hi, good afternoon. Yes, dear students, from the last classes we are learning about the classifications of business activities. Yes, then in the last classes we learned about the activities of industry. Yes, okay. Then in the today's lecture we learn about the activities of that commerce or the classifications of the activities of the commerce. Okay, yes. Then see, in the broad sense, what do you mean by commerce? That means here the commerce is nothing but the process which involves the trade as well as the auxiliaries to trade. Yes. Then the commerce means what? The process which involves the trade as well as the auxiliaries to trade. Auxiliaries, that means facilities or services to the trade or services for trade. ETC are covered under the commerce activity. Okay? Yes. We see that in the detailed manner. That means here the commerce is covered with two concepts. That is, one is trade, another one is auxiliaries to trade. Then what it means trade? Yes. Yes. Then see, buying and selling of goods or services is known as the trade. Yes. Trade means what? The process of buying or selling of goods or services for the intention of earning the profit is known as the trade. Yes. We call that what? The trade. Then here that trade again categorized into broadly two parts. Yes. First one is internal and another one is external. Yes. The trading activity is categorized into two parts. One is internal and another one is external. Yes. Then, so what it means that internal trade? Yes, question arises. Yes. Then internal trade is nothing but the trading activity. Trading activity, that means the buying and selling of goods or services. Yes, carried out within a country is known as internal trade. Yes, that means the buying or selling of goods and services carried out within a country is known as what? The internal trade. Yes. So internal trade, that means in the other words, internal trade is nothing but the activities of trade conducted within the geographical area of a country is known as the internal trade. Yes. Then that internal trade may be two manners. Okay, one is wholesale manner or another one is retail manner. Yes. Wholesale, that means the trading activity is carried out here in the huge manner. That means here the large quantity of goods or services purchased or sold here. Yes, that means here the large quantity of goods are purchased as well as sold in this concept. And retail, that means it covers with the activities of small quantity of goods. Okay. Then retailing, that means here retail trade is carried out for the small quantity of goods. Okay. Then ultimately this trade is carried out with the final consumer. Okay. Yes. Then next one is part of that trade is external trade. Yes. External trade means, yes, external trade means here the trading activities is carried out with the foreign countries or any cross border countries or any other countries is known as the external trade. Yes. What? The external trade means that the purchasing or selling of goods or services with the foreign countries or the cross border countries or any other countries, or the trade is carried in between two or more countries, is known as the external trade. Is known as what? The external trade. That trading activity, again that external trading activity again classified into broadly three manner. First one is that import, second one export, and third one is interport. Okay, yes. Then what it means import? Yes, import is nothing but what? The purchasing the goods or services from abroad is known as the import. Yes, import means what? The purchasing of goods or services from abroad or from foreign countries or from other countries is known as import. Is known as what? Import. And export means, yes, it is the opposite of that import. Here that means the goods or services sold to foreign countries. Yes, goods or services sold to foreign countries or sold to abroad or sold to any other countries is known as the export trade. Okay, yes. Then interport, that means it covers both the concept of that import as well as export. Yes. How is that? That means here for example, take if India borrowed or purchased some goods from America or USA, yes, that same goods are sent or sold to UK. It is an example for that interport. That means here the goods or services purchased for not for consumption but for sale. Yes, that means what? Here goods or services purchased for not for the personal consumption but for the sale to another country. Yes. Okay. Clear? Yes. Then next. Here another activities of commerce is that auxiliaries to trade. Yes, auxiliaries. Auxiliaries, that means facilities or any services for trade. Yes, any services for trade or any facilities for trade or any, that is called what? The auxiliaries to trade. Which are there? That means here the number of auxiliaries, the number of facilities or number of services are supporting to the trading activity. Yes. For example, among that first one is transportation. Yes, transportation very helpful for that the trading activity. Yes, that transport may be roadway, yes, railway or seaway. Okay, whatever that, the transportation is very helpful for the carrying out the goods or services from one place to another place. Okay, so that is one provides the facility or service to the trading activity. Then next, warehousing. Yes, that is one another important services for the trade, that is warehousing. Here that means if we produce some goods or some materials or some components of materials or some finished product in our organization, but one question arises that here the every produced material can sold immediately? No. Okay, so that means here some period, that took the some period for sale of that materials. Okay, so but up to that we have to store that materials or store those materials in where. The question arises that where, that means here in the warehouse. Okay, or in the godown. Yes, that is properly called what? The warehousing. That means here in the warehousing we provide the storage for that materials. Okay, yes. Then next, banking and finance. Yes, the banking and finance have the very essential or unique role in the trading activity. Yes. Why? Because each and every trading activities are carried out through the banking and finance activity. Yes. Each activity requires the fund or each activity requires the finance. Okay. That fund is required from here, from the banking or any financial institutions. Okay, that means here the banks or any financial institutions serves the fund facility to trading activity. Yes, fund facility to trading activity. Yes. Then next, insurance. Yes, insurance have also the broad scope in the trading activity. Yes, why? Why? Because the trading activity or that business activity covers the number of risks or lot of the risks. Okay, that may be risk of theft, yes, or risk of accident, yes, or risk of loss. ETC are covered in under the that trading activity or business activity. But for protect those risks or to protect the trade from those risks, the insurance helpful in that concept. Okay, that means here the insurance facilitates or protect the business organization from the any risk or from the lot of the risk. Okay, yes. Then last one is that advertising. Yes, that advertising is a one part of that sales promoting. Yes. Then why the advertising is necessary? The question arises. Okay, yes. Then why the advertising is necessary? That means we produced some goods or some materials. Okay, but we have to inform about that to the public, then only they can purchase those materials or those goods. Okay, yes. Then here the advertising can do the same work here, that is it can inform to the public about our goods or services. Okay, that advertising, what it inform to the public or it guides the public, yes, or it serves the information regarding our product to the public to enhance the commercial activity. Okay, yes. Then these are the what the auxiliaries to trade. Yes, totally this is about the whole about the activities of the commerce as well as the activities of business. Okay, yes. Then if you have any doubts regarding this, okay, you can comment on the same way. I will clarify that. Okay, thank you.